Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help couples secure their financial futures with our online template kits. Families going through separation and divorce experience great upheaval and uncertainty. A parenting plan can help you set strong boundaries and routines so your life can return to a more even keel. There are many benefits to organising a parenting plan. They provide clarity and decrease ongoing conflict because you have a written document to refer to which puts an end to those who said what arguments. It offers your children stability because they will know the rules about which home they're staying in at any time, how much time they spend with each parent, holidays, visits with relatives, and so forth. You'll be able to budget more effectively because you'll know who is paying their day-to-day expenses like school fees or medical bills. And there'll be less upsets from verbal plans being misunderstood, which is what happened to Shane. Shane learnt the hard way about not having a clear parenting plan when he and his wife Susan split up early last year. Because their split had been somewhat amicable and Susan had not wanted the primary care of their 3 young children, Shane assumed that the care arrangements would also be easy to manage. Unfortunately, many fights erupted as a result of things like Susan not turning up when she said she would, or suddenly turning up to pick up the kids for a weekend activity she had planned without prior consultation with Shane. The many squabbles turned into huge arguments and the children were upset by the uncertainty of what was happening. Thankfully, Shane's mother suggested a formal parenting plan, which outlined exactly when both parents would have the children and what their responsibilities were in regard to notifying each other of plans and who paid for what. After the plan was implemented, the fights stopped and the children's care arrangements went smoothly. Shane noticed an almost immediate improvement in his children's moods and behaviour, and he and Susan got along much better. Whenever any issues came up, they would sit down with the children if needed and peacefully negotiate new terms. The whole process was a win-win for everybody. Drafting a parenting plan doesn't need to be difficult, especially when you start with a template that covers all the important points. We offer a parenting plan template that you can edit to suit your family's needs, which means you can stop relying on verbal agreements and memory to navigate your shared parental responsibilities. To learn more about our parenting plan template, visit rpemery.com.au by following the links below.